Students, now you must have understood why animals are useful to us, haven't you? Now look at this dog. This dog belongs to Bimal.
The dog protects Bimal's house from thieves.
Look, Bimal has just kicked the dog. Should he kick the dog?
No, he shouldn't.
If someone kicks you, you feel pain, don't you? A dog too feels pain when someone kicks it. So, we should never kick a dog. Nor should we throw a stone at it. Now look at Rohan and his dog. Rohan is giving food to the dog.
Rohan cares if his dog is hungry.
Sometimes Rohan plays with his dog. He even goes for a walk with it. Look here, Rohan is giving a bath to his dog.
Rohan cares if his dog is dirty.
Like Rohan, we should care for our dog. Students, have you seen a beehive? Look at the tree branch. There is a beehive.
You can see honeybees in and around the beehive, can't you?
Look, Arjun is coming towards the beehive. He has a stick in his hand. Oh, he poked the beehive with his stick. Students, is it good to poke the beehive of the honeybees like this?
No, it is not. A hive is the home of honeybees. We should not destroy the home of honeybees.
Honeybees give us honey, don't they? If we poke it with the stick, the hive may get damaged. The honey inside it may get spoilt also.
If you poke hives with a stick, honeybees may bite you.
Students, we should not destroy others' homes. Students, you all know that the he-buffalo helps us to plow our fields. So, farmers keep the he-buffaloes to plow their fields. Now look what Ram Gopal is doing.
He is beating his he-buffalo.
Should he beat the he-buffalo?
No, he shouldn't.
Think what happens if someone beats you like that.
You cry with pain, don't you?
A he-buffalo too feels pain. So we should not beat the he-buffalo. Students, now look here. Tell me what Hari is doing.
He is giving a bath to his he-buffalo.
Yes, Hari is giving a bath to his he-buffalo. Hari cares if his he-buffalo is dirty. He also gives grass to his he-buffalo to eat. Hari shows love to his he-buffalo, doesn't he?
We should care and show love to animals.
Students, you all know that a cow gives us milk.
And we make many things from milk.
Now look what Shyam is doing.
He is pulling the tail of a cow.
Is it good to pull the tail of a cow?
No, it is not. We should not pull the tail of a cow.
Now look here. Robin is giving hay to his cow to eat.
Robin cleans its shed as well.
Robin cares and shows love to his cow. We should always care and show love to our cows. Students, now look what Ramesh is doing.
He is aiming his catapult at the pigeon.
Do you know what happens if a stone on a catapult hits a pigeon?
A pigeon gets wounded and it gets injured.
A small wound on your body makes you feel pain, doesn't it? A pigeon too feels pain when it gets wound on its body.
So, we should not aim a catapult with a stone at a pigeon.
Now look here. Sagar is feeding pigeons with the grains. Sagar is showing love to a pigeon, isn't he? Like Sagar, you should love and feed pigeons. We should show love to animals.